Pros and cons of painting your walls white. Dear friends, thinking of painting your house white? Read on to discover the pros and cons of using this versatile color in your home design. White color has been a popular choice for house painting colors for years. Its versatility and ability to blend with any design or style make it a common choice for homeowners. However, there are pros and cons to using white color in your house painting project. In this video, we'll explore the advantages and disadvantages of using white color. Pros of white color. Brightening effect. One of the biggest advantages of white color is its ability to brighten up a room. White reflects light, making any room appear larger, brighter, and more open. This can be especially helpful in smaller rooms or rooms with little natural light. Timelessness. White color has always been a classic and timeless choice for house painting colors. It never goes out of style, and it can complement any design or decor. Choosing a white color for your house painting project can ensure that your home looks fresh and modern for years to come. Versatility. White is a versatile color that can be paired with any other color. You can use it as the main color or as an accent color. It can also be paired with a variety of textures and finishes, giving you endless options for your home's interior design. Cons of white color. Maintenance. White color can be difficult to maintain. It shows dirt, dust, and stains more easily than darker colors, and it can also yellow over time. This means that you'll need to clean your walls more frequently to keep them looking clean and fresh. But that isn't necessarily bad, as it allows you to refresh your house paint, making it look elegant at all times. Looking monotonous. While white can complement any design or decor, it can also seem monotonous. Using only white color in your house painting project can make your home look clinical. However, if you are someone who prefers minimalism, white is the perfect color to create a monochromatic look without experimenting or going way out of your budget and comfort zone. Glare. White color can reflect a lot of light, causing glare. This can be especially problematic in rooms with a lot of natural light or in rooms with reflective surfaces like mirrors or windows. This glare can be hard on the eyes and make it difficult to relax or work in a space. To counteract this, you can add complementary fixtures and furnishings to your primarily white spaces. White is a versatile and timeless choice for house painting colors. Its ability to brighten up a room and complement any design or decor makes it a popular choice for homeowners. However, it does have certain cons. If you're considering using white color in your house painting project, weigh these pointers carefully to determine if it's the right choice for your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.